If you are planning to get yourself the new Samsung Watch 3, look no further, as in today's video, I will help you make that decision if it's a good buy for you or not. So do watch the video till the end. What's up everyone, welcome to another video by CGF. So I got the Samsung Watch 3 a month back. I've thoroughly tested this watch and seen what the new Samsung Watch has to offer to its loyal customers. Starting off with the price. In US, you can get this watch for $399 and in the Indian market, it is for 30,000 rupees. If you're living in any other parts of the world, the price will vary. Now starting off with the design. Samsung actually has the best designed smartwatches there is in the market. The Watch 3 has a less sporty, dressier design that seems to be meant for more everyday wear as opposed to the dedicated running watch. The rotating bezel was first introduced in the Samsung Gear S2. The rotating bezel is so good and easy to use that Samsung has kept it in this watch also. Its bezel is raised so it does provide a bit of protection from bumps and dings on the screen. With this bezel, you can check out your notifications and even access your quick menu. The quick menu is customizable through the Galaxy Wearable application. Other than the bezel, you have two metal buttons on the right side of the watch which helps you to go back or to the home screen with one click. The strap is not rubberized this time, but it is a leather one, which gives it a more dressier look. The display is a Super AMOLED panel made of Gorilla Glass, which is packed with 360 into 360 pixels. Samsung has also doubled down on the number of watch faces, which you can also change according to the attire you're wearing. To see how is the performance of this watch, it is better than its previous watches as it has more RAM and more storage to offer. You can download third-party applications to the watch and even store music for the times you are going for a run or to the gym. The music can be played through the watch by connecting a Bluetooth headset or even on the speaker of the watch. The Galaxy Watch has a fast interface that helps to quickly swipe between menus and applications, which I can say is on par to recent Apple Watches. You even can answer calls as this watch also has a microphone on it. If you do not have your phone on you, this feature is actually helpful. That's why the watch also has a LTE model, for which you will have to pay $50 more for it. Next part I would like to talk about is the fitness tracking features of this watch. The Samsung Watch 3 is designed for more everyday use. As opposed to the fitness focused active line, it still comes with a handful of new fitness tracking features. In addition to the usual activity tracking, automatic workout detection and heart rate monitoring, the Watch 3 now has enhanced sleep tracking, blood oxygen monitoring, ECG and VO2 max reporting. The blood oxygen and the ECG feature are limited to certain parts of Asia and other countries, but I could not use these features as they are not available in Canada. It also has a feature to automatically call an emergency contact when a fall is detected, like the Apple Watch. The number of activities has increased a lot on this watch, which I think are useless as I don't want my watch to count my reps for an exercise. The step tracking and heart rate tracking has been a lot better on this watch as compared to the older models, as they used to show somewhat inaccurate data. I would not rely on this watch for fitness purpose, as I still cannot believe how accurate the data in this watch is. I still would stick to my Garmin for that. The battery on this watch is 2 days, which the company claims, but as all companies' data are over-exaggerated, this watch battery lasted for 36 hours. So you would have to charge it every alternate day, which would not let you use your sleep tracking, as many of us would charge the watch in the night time. Now coming to the last part, which is the Samsung Wearable app. It helps you to change your watch faces, download third-party applications and set up your Bixby or Samsung Pay. Samsung do not have tied up yet with all the banks, so it might not work for you, as is the case for me too. You can see the stats for your activities, your sleep score, stress level and many more through the Samsung Health application. To finish off this segment, here is the good news for Apple users. They can now also get the Samsung Watch as it can be connected to their phones, as they also have the Galaxy Wearable application in their app store. So now to conclude my review, I would say that the watch is quite stunning. Samsung has added some amazing new features to their new Samsung Watch 3, but still needs software updates so that these features can be fully used. The watch also has always on display. Keep in mind, with always on display, the battery will have to be charged every day, so it's better to keep it turned off. The battery will trickle charge, taking it around 2 hours to charge it. Other than these features, it is the best non-Apple watch there is in the market, and I would ask you to buy this watch only if you have all the features available in your country. If you like my viewpoint, do take time to click the subscribe button, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and yes, please like the video. So that's it from my side. Until the next one.